100 and in the field events. The 100-meter final of the women. The 110-meter hurdles, highlights to understand what really happened there. Exactly, and tomorrow we're going to have a look if there are another stars born. We have the 400 and the 800 meters of the men, and until then it's goodbye from us. Back tomorrow with the 110-meter hurdles of the men, the 100-meter of the women, and a lot of other things. So from us it's now goodbye. And that becomes a tradition.